This banana bread has 0 flour, 0 added sugar, and is packed with protein. Who said eating healthy has to taste like cardboard? Let me show you how to make it with just 5 ingredients. Okay, so first, grab 2 ripe bananas. Mash them in a bowl until they're completely smooth. Next, whisk in 2 eggs and 2 generous tablespoons of creamy peanut butter. Mix it until you have a smooth batter. Finally, fold in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and a pinch of baking soda. Give it one last good stir to get that airy texture. The best part is that you can bake this in the microwave or the oven. If you're in a hurry, microwave it in a greased, microwave-safe dish for 3 to 5 minutes on high. If you prefer the oven, bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Let it sit for a few minutes to firm up, and your healthy banana bread is ready. If you want more recipes just like this one, comment more and I will make another one.